So write dividend 28 divided by, divisor is 7 and quotient is 4. So this is the short form of this division. Okay. Now D part you can do by yourself, and the second E part is in sum. In the sum 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. So dividend is equal to, and what is divisor? And what is quotient? What is quotient? So in the sum 48 is divided by 6. 6 divides 48. So 6 is divisor and 48 is dividend. The number to be divided is known as dividend. So 48 is divided by 6. So 48 is dividend and 6 is divisor, and the answer we get after division is known as quotient. This is 8. Okay, note down. F part, we know the relation dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. And the multiplication fact for G part, the multiplication fact for 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9 is, you have to write the multiplication fact for this division fact. Okay, so this is 2 into 9 is equal to 8. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18 is the multiplication fact. Okay, so next question, solve the following. Next question is, solve the following. Solve the following. A is 24 divided by 6. So we have to divide 24 by 6. 6 is divisor and 24 is dividend. 6 is divisor and 24 is dividend. Okay, so how many times 6 does go into 24? You should read the table of 6. 6 1 just 6 means 6 1 just 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 0. So this is our divisor. Okay. Next question. B part is 2, 16. So you read the table of 2. How many times does 2 go into 16? So we know that 2 8s are 16. We know that 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So we can write 8 as a quotient and 16 under dividend, and then we subtract 16 from 16, we get 0. Now this is the division. Then C is 27. So again you will read the table of 3. How many times you get 27? 3 9s are 27. So you should write 9 as a quotient, 27 under dividend, and then subtract 7 minus 7 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. D part 56. So to divide 56 by 8, you will read the table of 8, and you know that 8 7s are 56. So you can write 7 as a quotient and 56 under dividend. This is 0. Okay. So you can solve like this. Each parts, you will read the table, you will write the question, you will write the number. 8 7s are 56. 56. This 56 you will write under the dividend, and then you subtract, you get 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. So like this you will solve all the part. Then second question, solve and check your answer. Third question. This is third question is solve and check your answer. Answer. Solve and check your answer. A part is done. B part is 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. So first you divide 24 by 4. How many times does 4 go into 24? So you should read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and 4 6s are 24. 4 6 are 24. So now you will write 6 as a quotient, and you will write 24 under dividend. Subtract 24 from 24, you will get 0. Now you have to check. We can check by multiplying 4 and 6. Okay. So to check, you will multiply 4 and 6. 4 into 6 is 24. Okay. So now our answer is 24, and that is equal to dividend. It means our division is correct. Okay. C part is 54. So read the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 this 54 under dividend, subtract 54 minus 54 is 0. 54 minus 54 is 0. Now you check. How to check? To check your division, you multiply 6 and 9. This is 6 and 9. 6 9s are 54. So the product of 6 and 9 is 54. So our division is correct because 54 is the dividend. Okay. Next part. D part is 972. So 9 8s are 72. Divide 9 8s are 72. 8 write as a quotient and 72 minus 72 is 0. Now you check. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Now the E part is 8, 64. Read the table of 8. How many times you get 64? 8 8s are 64. So write 64 under dividend. Subtract 64 minus 64 is 0. Now how to check? To check the division, we multiply. We multiply divisor and quotient. Divisor is 8 and quotient is 8. This equal to 64. This equal to 64. Note down. Now F part you can solve by yourself. Now the fourth question, divide the following in your notebook. Now the fourth question is this is fourth question. Divide the following in your divide the following in your notebook. A is 82 divided by 2. How to divide? So you know that 82 is divided by 2. So 2 is divisor. 2 is divisor. 82 is dividend. You know ones tens. So first we divide 8 by 2. So how many times does 2 go into 8? We will read the table of 2. We know that 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. That is, we will write 4. So we will write 1 as a quotient. So 2 ones are 2. 2 into 1 is 2, right? Here is 0. Note down. B is 48 divided by 4. Write this solution in long form. 48. Okay. Now first you divide 4 by 4. First you divide the first digit 4 by 4. You know how many times does 4 go into 4? One time. Because we know that 4 ones are 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Right under 4. This is 0. Now the remainder is 0. It means our division is correct. And then bring down 8. Now how many times does 4 go into 8? We know that 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Write down, subtract 8 from 8, 0. This is correct. Like this we divide. First we divide first digit, then we divide second digit. Now the C part is 93 divided by 3. So this is 93. Okay. So first you divide 9 by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Write 3. And 3 3s are 9. So write 9 under 9. And then subtract 0. Then bring down 3. 3 ones are 3. Write 3 and 0. Okay. Next. D part is 66 divided by 3. So this is 3 and 66. So first you divide first digit 6 by 3. So how many times does 3 go into 6? 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So write 2 as a quotient and 6 under dividend. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now the 0 is less than, listen, after subtracting 6 from 6 we get 0 and this 0 is less than divisor. It means our division is correct. Okay. Then bring down 6. 3 twos are 6. Then E part is 80 divided by 2. Now divide by 2. 80. Okay. So this is 2 4s are 8. 0. Subtract. And then bring down 0. You have to divide 0 by 2. And you know that any 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Means the quotient we get 0. We will write 0. And 2 into 0 is 0. Now nothing minus nothing is 0. So this is 80. 40 is the quotient, 2 is divisor. Next part. So next part is F part, 96 divided by 3. So this is your homework. You can do this by yourself. Z part 68 divided by 2. This is also your homework. You should do by yourself. First you keep in mind, first you divide the first digit by 2, then you divide the second digit by